Watch this video, it's mind-blowing. 10 seconds, that's all it took for these 11 Tomahawk missiles to go past the merchant ship. And you know how much each one of them cost? $2.5 million. So that's $28 million in 10 seconds. And God knows what damage they caused. But at this rate, US is spending $1 billion a day. Billion. That's $42 million an hour. By the time this reel finishes, US would have spent $3.5 million. Imagine. And this is for a war that sees no end to it. US is in it for the long haul if they don't want to get out of it with their heads bowed, which is Trump won't allow that. Israel is not going to do it. Iran certainly is not going to do it. Iran has set forth ceasefire guidelines saying you will never attack us and it remains status quo. So basically that's what will happen. There will be a ceasefire with status quo. The whole Middle East in shambles, Iran and Israel completely decimated. That is what the story that's developing. But Trump is not gonna go down that easily. Now in 2 days, something big will happen. Either it's gonna be a flag attack, a la 9/11 style, on the US homeland through a drone or whatever to get the public sentiment back and America rah-rah going again for the war, because Americans don't care about this war at all. So there is going to be a flag attack, or Donald Trump will be incapacitated or will not be the president of the United States. This is going to happen in the next few days. Mark my words. Because this war is not going to end, and you can only keep things at bay for so long. Because this war has no end in sight, and the whole Middle East is rising up against the US, so is Europe, so is Asia. And in the meantime, what has India done? And all these naysayers about the Modi government, well, India has been given a green signal to have all its ships go through the strait with no problems by Iran. Jaishankar had a discussion with his counterpart in Iran, and India has gotten a green signal. Indian energy problems have been solved. So this is how it's done. Like it or not, that's how Modi does it. But US, that's another story.